Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Top Tier Talk. Today we are back playing the game Imposter. We have a new guest on Lucas with us, and we'll be playing around 3 to 4 games of 2 rounds Imposter, and let's jump right back into it.
For this round, we're gonna have the Lucas stuff.
Ancient.
Ancient?
Nah, sounds like him.
I'm gonna say.
Bro, never do that again. Never do that again, bro.
I messed up. I'm gonna say Tori spot.
What?
Not gonna lie, I don't know how to explain this word. Like, see,
This word's kind of sucks.
yeah.
That's the Tori spot.
Tourist?
Yeah.
Torrents or tourist?
If you know, you know.
Better not say it.
No, you better not say because I was gonna say it.
Nah,
I
I'm
was
gonna say it. I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it.
I was gonna say it.
Nah, you're not thinking about
I
it.
promise you.
You're not thinking
Oh,
about
yo,
it.
shut up. You never stop talking. Damn. Sorry.
Alright, ready? Fortnite.
Oh.
Yeah, because I get that, yeah.
Yeah, you get it. You're
Yeah, I
supposed to
get
get
it.
it.
Yeah,
She's
I
supposed to
know.
get it.
Yeah, I know.
Season, huh? Say Pacific season.
Don't matter.
Bro.
Okay, I don't
Yo.
play it. I don't play that game anymore.
Sorry. I don't really know. I'm just say long.
What?
I really don't
Nah,
know how
nah,
to
nah,
describe it. Long.
Oh. Phone.
Alright.
Oh, I get
The
it. I
game?
get it.
Run.
Nah.
What do you mean, nah?
Nah.
How?
Nah, bro.
Nah, that Lucas. That's just.
Why are you cheesing it, bro? It's a game.
This is black. So hard.
That's not funny, bro.
Alright, go.
I'm gonna say. Say like. Think about it. Trees.
I was gonna say something similar to that.
I don't get that.
I was gonna.
Jacob.
I really don't get that.
don't know what
You're not
that
even trying to defend yourself though.
Yo, Ima doesn't get it.
I'm not. Bro, I don't wanna go based off first, bro. But I'm gonna say jungle.
Okay.
I don't get this word, bro.
She's like, you know that.
No, I'm serious. I don't.
No,
get
remember last time?
Yeah,
she
remember
put
she
on
like,
the
I'm
act?
not imposter. Like,
And then
she
was
said something
imposter,
like
yeah.
that.
She was like, I'm not trying to.
You always gotta join in, huh?
Bro,
My word. Wait, what did I say first? Long?
I don't know, bro.
How do you not remember your own first
real.
word?
I'm gonna say old.
Cause someone said it. Who said what'd you say?
You said old?
Ancient.
Ancient.
Ah.
Hey,
Can I change that?
Nah.
Nah.
Hey.
Nah.
Minecraft.
You were the first
Stop
one,
saying
bro.
that, bro. I don't
Oh,
understand
No, he was the
Minecraft
first
or
one.
Fortnite.
He was the
No,
last
he was the
one.
first one.
No, I was the first
He was the first one.
He was the last one.
No,
Yo,
Didn't
Didn't
he
you start with the phone?
Bro, I don't
Me,
get
no.
that. How am I supposed to
Alright.
get
Man, I
it?
went
How am I
ancient.
supposed to
Okay,
get
then
it?
don't
Yeah.
get it. Too bad. Yes, you don't get it. If you know, you know. Yes, you know.
I don't think it's actually just. Wait,
I
that's
think
it,
it's
right?
Jacob.
I don't think it's actually.
I know it's not me. I just know who
No,
it
she
is.
said that last time.
No, for real, I don't get the word. Like, I really don't get it.
How do you not get the word?
I don't know what to say that would, like,
You've never heard of it?
no. Alright, I already know how I'm voting.
Wait, what did you say? You said Minecraft, no?
Yeah.
What was your first one?
Phone. Like
First
the
word?
app. The
Ancient.
game.
Can that be a
Second word?
Ancient.
Second word.
Oh, run.
Can ancient be a what's it called?
Hint?
A clue, yeah. Or no?
Yeah, it could be.
Well, it's because right away when I said it's the Lucas turn, he's right away said it, the word.
What word?
So that can either be a clue or he
What'd you
just
say?
already had it in mind.
First
and he already
said,
said it.
first, I
You
said
said tree and
Tori spot.
I don't think it's that. I don't think it's that.
I think
I'm going with what you want to say. I think it's Jacob.
Man, not me, bro.
I know I have really bad words, bro. I know. Trust
You
me.
said
It's
phone and
horrible,
what?
But it's literally.
Me? Phone game and
I don't even get Fortnite.
I said
on my
Fortnite.
iPad.
It was a Fortnite. I think actually.
I said Fortnite drunk also.
I think it's Jacob.
Yeah. You're ready? You're ready?
We vote
Jacob.
Yeah, I think so.
Nah.
Whatever.
I wouldn't even know.
I'm changing my vote.
Nah.
Nah, you wanna see
You know
Yeah, I wanted to see what
You
you
know
were
what's
doing.
crazy? Nah, I've been saying I was going with Ashley, so.
Nah,
I
I
wouldn't
wanted
know this.
I wanted to see what you were gonna do.
So what is that?
So what is that?
It's 2 on you. 1 on me.
I'ma say Jacob.
That's goofy. Locked in?
You too. Yeah, too.
3, 2, 1. Hello?
You saw that?
Yeah, what did I say?
Rob
Dude, I'm voting Jacob.
Rob
Jacob.
would be funny. Rob would
Yeah, but it was the Temple Run or something like that.
Nah, it's Temple.
Oh, you got it wrong.
No, but the game Temple Run.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah.
I didn't know how to describe it, bro.
Yeah, that word was a little iffy.
Yeah. I don't know.
Nah, it was a good word, bro.
It was a good word, but like, how would you just like describing it? It's like really easy. Like, H and O.
You could have said stone, you could have said.
So, like mummies? Nah.
Yeah, you could have said
Neta?
that.
Oh, mummies could have been good because you would have thrown them off the
What
period.
Yeah.
Wow, my first one was bad.
Huh? That was fire. That was fire.
And then I think Don Lucas
Oi,
said the N-word,
oi, oi.
so, like-
Don't you said the N word?
Oh my.
Nah.
Alright.
What'd you do?
What?
I accidentally went on your.
Of course you
So
did.
just play as her. Play as her.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm gonna play you. So
Okay.
when you get
Alright,
it,
so
play
you
me.
play as him.
Bro, no, because then that means I'm probably gonna be imposter.
Oh,
You gotta
bro.
let Just go, just go. It's fine. It's
Hey,
fine.
nah, let's just
No,
be
no,
straight,
no,
'cause
no,
it's
no,
gonna
no,
confuse
no.
It's gonna confuse them. They can be like, oh.
Yeah, that is true.
Wait,
Thanks.
how?
Good one, Jacob.
Because
Good
we were like,
one.
oh,
Bro,
we voted Ashley,
being
but then
honest.
he's playing her as Ashley.
Yeah.
I think.
I'm trying to like confuse you.
But that was like a decent word too.
I
What
was
was it?
thinking, bro.
I would have said cabana again.
What was it?
It was beach.
Bro.
That's a good thing.
I would have said
Wow.
cabana. I would have said cabana again.
Why,
bro?
bro? Aw, you missed it. He would have said cabana.
Can't wait. Can't wait. That's what said it. Yeah, nothing.
There you go, bro.
I'm a little tingle.
Come on,
What's
bro.
that? What's texting?
Alright.
Everybody.
Bro got a podcast.
Text in the group chat.
We're
My fault, guys. Honestly.
Thank you for being honest. I appreciate that.
I don't appreciate it.
What do you think about the word?
I'm not thinking clearly.
Yo, yo,
He said I was going like this too loud.
Nah, because you can't do that.
I know. He's reminding me and he's like, what?
Alright, we're gonna have Abraham start. Naeem.
It's not funny.
Yep, we got the imposter
Oh.
first.
Group activity.
Ah, nah. Nah.
Bro.
Could be a good clue.
No.
I like your rap word.
Was it sledding?
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, good word, good word.
Yeah,
That's,
good.
that's a good one.
Nah,
That's
that
a good word.
was a good word. That was a good word.
Yeah, that's so bad.
Nah, I promise you. That was
Because
good.
of the name.
Spot
It's
on,
a
bro.
good one. It's a good.
Nah, it's because it's like this is like so
Yeah,
similar.
just stop talking though.
I forgot the word, but I know
Yeah, yeah.
part of it. So I'm gonna say, like,
Oh my god, bro.
I'm gonna say,
Any day now.
Come on, bro. It's not that hard.
oh, no, cause like, alright, I don't know how to explain it, but like,
So bad.
Go.
you put it in storage, but like,
Ooh,
Like-
wait.
you know,
Excuse me.
Maybe because that's what my parents had me do last night.
last night.
We're in March.
Just kidding.
Nah, you're not kidding.
Nah, he's done.
I want to say date. Maybe a date.
But I
I
know,
guess.
I know like, don't want to say too
I
much.
never really heard.
Babe?
Well, maybe because that's not popular.
What are you talking about?
Hey, look.
I'm on the phone. I'm on the phone.
Look at just stop, bro.
Be quiet, bro.
Mine's kind of like a phrase, kind of like Jacob's. You said put it in storage, right?
Yeah.
Mine's like carving it out.
Ooh, good one. That
Frosting.
was way better. That was way better.
What'd
That's
you
your
say?
Frosting.
That's good.
Okay,
Good job.
I remember the word now.
All right, go.
Icicles.
Not like his bro. We were trying to.
Don't look
see
his
you,
bro.
Bro, Don Lucas. You know the word, huh? You know it.
Oh.
Hey, yo.
Now we.
Mix it up.
Yeah, mix it
Yeah,
up,
yeah,
mix it up,
yeah.
mix it
I'm
up.
gonna say summer.
Alright, nice. Alright, that's kinda. Alright.
But
What'd you say?
I said summer.
I'm gonna say umbrella.
Alright, now I know it has to do
Snow.
something with the snow. But oh.
Snow. Just say snow.
Alright, that's good, that's
Yeah,
good,
yeah.
that's good, that's good.
Alright, what first?
Sorry. Don Lucas.
Do we vote?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who are you voting for? Don Lucas. Who are you voting for?
Myself.
I'm voting for Don Lucas.
Do you want it, like, can he try to?
Nah.
No? Okay.
Cause well, I say no. I say they should only be able to do it like in
In the
two
round.
Yeah.
Alright, we're all voting Don Lucas then.
The word was icy.
Reveal the reveal the lights in 3, 2, 1, and bingo.
What do you think the word was?
You have no
Did you
idea?
guess?
Was it cookie or cake?
Yeah,
Oh, I
cookie.
thought it was either cookie or Christmas, so I kind of forgot.
No,
I
the-
think so.
But that's
Icy.
gonna conclude
Yeah,
the
'cause you put
first
frosting
half.
on
We're
it.
gonna take a quick little 30-second break, and we'll be right back.
So, Steven, I think a big part of being an online gamer is definitely the security of your base. Did you just say security? Yeah, we did. Which leads us into the sponsor of our podcast, Think Security. They are a local security provider that make security cameras, alarm systems, and mobile security units both for company and for your everyday people to make sure that they can keep their belongings and themselves safe from anyone who decides it's a good idea to try and steal from them.
You can contact them at 562-926-7555 or visit them directly at 272 South 5th Avenue, City of Industry, California. Thank you, and back to our scheduled entertainment.
See you there.
And we are back, guys. Thank you. Big shout out to our sponsors for making everything possible, and we're gonna jump right back.
You saw
into
that?
Yeah.
it.
You like froze.
Yeah. Sorry, yeah, bro.
It's okay.
Oh,
Yeah,
my
that's
favorite.
No.
You are?
You're in Boston?
Nah, it's not Don Lucas. I know.
Wow, bro.
Bro,
what do you mean?
Nah,
You should not say it.
nah. Why are you laughing?
That's Diego.
It's so funny, bro.
Nah.
Give me the O.
So we're gonna have Don Lucas start us the round.
Oh my god.
Good, don't judge.
Hey, Kamalo.
Alright.
Kamalo. Let me think.
This is really good.
Cause like there's so many things that could give it away, bro. Caesar.
Oh my god.
You know what that is?
Bro, God. Bro, just nah.
Yeah, but just tell
What was that? I don't want to give it away.
I don't know. Just go, just come on.
I would say, y'all gotta know, like,
You know like Little Caesar?
fruit. Fruit. Go.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I
go.
get it, I get
Yeah.
it.
Let's say crispy.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Wait, you said crispy?
The crunch.
You took one of my word, bro. I was gonna say crunch. I'm gonna say. Health.
Green.
Bro.
Alright.
But let's say things to throw him off, bro.
So, bro.
Don't hurt on.
It's on YouTube,
Nah, it's
bro.
actually him, bro.
It's on
You.
YouTube.
Cat.
You
Bro,
caught, you
the
caught
first one
on
in
right when I
the
said
video.
health. You
Little
were like,
Caesars? Fire.
I know you, bro.
Alright, go.
I know
Go
you,
look
bro.
at them.
Can I say something to throw it
Yeah,
off?
yeah.
Yeah. Nah, because what if he's impossible?
That can't be the
Nah,
clue.
bro.
If it's not Lucas, he's the best player ever.
Or you're not.
Yeah.
It's good to you.
That's it.
Bar.
Alright. Wait, are we doing it off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put
I'm
my
gonna
own
say.
food.
I'm gonna say.
Wait, who we throwing off? Imposter.
Just give away the
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, keep going.
Wait, so we're
Yeah,
doing it off?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah,
I'm
yeah.
gonna say. I'm gonna say. Don Lucas.
Nah,
Why you laughing,
stop,
bro?
Why you laughing, bro?
Why you laughing, bro?
Why you laughing?
Go like.
Just stop.
Bro, why you laughing?
Why you guys screaming
Just
at
make
me,
it weird, bro.
What's funny about that?
He said Don Moss, so I said Don
Alright,
Lucas.
okay.
You can't get anything.
Bro,
you
this
say
is no
colorful.
topics.
Who?
Colorful.
Nah, Soki sucks, bro.
Nah, that's such a sick word, bro.
So
You kind of have to. If you think about mine, you'll actually get it. Like it won't be like
Alright,
a
time's up.
dress.
Yeah.
Alright, go.
Y'all think I'm imposter?
Yeah.
Nah.
So say
Alright.
something quick.
So guess the
5,
word.
No.
4, 3, 2.
I'm not imposter.
Guess the
You
word.
just want me to admit and say
Yes,
something.
yes,
mean,
yes,
bro.
bro, just say a
yeah.
word, bro. Come on.
Want me to say
Yes,
something?
yes, yes,
Come on.
yes, yes, yes.
How you eat it? Wow.
Can we vote?
Guess the word.
I know what the word is. I'm not
Can we
imposter.
vote? Can
What
we
is it?
vote? Can we vote?
Let's just
I
go. I
didn't
already
say the
know.
word.
Yeah.
Say the
let's
word.
go.
Why would I say the word?
Nina, stop.
I'm not imposter. I'm not imposter, bro.
Absolutely say my
Bro, you're getting canceled.
Vote.
You're getting canceled.
I haven't even said my word.
You're getting
You
canceled.
literally said.
You're literally getting
No.
canceled. You're getting canceled. You're getting canceled.
Go. What do you want me to mention? Something?
Just
No,
guess the
you
word,
said
bro.
the
Just
word.
guess.
What was my word?
Just
Didn't
guess the
you just say
word.
eat or
Bro, just guess the
No.
word.
I know what the word is.
Let's
bro.
all vote on. Let's all vote on.
You're
Alright,
getting canceled
alright.
if you don't stop.
Did he not just say his word?
No, I didn't
Don't
say
look at
anything.
Yes, you
Yes, he
did.
did. Yes, he did.
How
How
do
to
you
eat
read
it?
it?
How to eat it?
That's
Yeah.
not. It wasn't my word.
Oh,
It's really you.
Alright,
Bro.
let's
Go,
vote.
go, go.
I didn't say
Let's
my
go,
word.
let's go.
Actually, start voting.
Crouton. That's my
Abraham.
word. Crouton.
Nah,
either
nah,
way,
nah.
nah.
He caught on. He
Nah.
caught on.
Bro.
Imagine not Abraham.
It's
Nah,
not
nah,
me,
nah.
bro.
Vote,
It's not
vote.
me.
Nah, you look, you said green,
Pushing
bro.
me a little too much.
It's not me. How is it me?
Can we vote? Can we vote?
And why
Why
does
do
me?
you
I'm
want to
not
vote
the
so
host.
fast, huh? Why do you want to
Because
vote?
Nah, he
How?
wants to turn it.
But
Let's just
Abraham
vote.
said-
Jacob, can we vote?
Yeah.
How is it me, bro? I promise you.
I didn't even say it was you.
Bro,
I said we're gonna vote.
Abraham,
I want to know you guys, bro.
It's you.
Promise me, bro. You're lying. Now it's me, alright, bet.
What was your first word?
I said crispy.
What was your first word? Nah, and then she said, "Oh, I was gonna use crispy." Was she really gonna use crispy?
I was gonna use crunchy, but your head ass. Like,
Were you gonna use crispy though? Nah, bro, wait.
Okay, go. Vote.
I'm sorry, but I'm voting you, bro.
Nah, look,
You're not gonna change my
No, no, no.
mind.
I think it's Abraham just because everyone else like makes sense. It's not you.
How
It's
does
not me.
mine
It's
not
not
make
Diego.
sense?
Look at getting mad.
How does that
Bro,
make
it's because my.
Green's a hint word.
No, it's
Yeah.
not. How is it a hint word?
Yes, it is.
Go.
Vote.
Alright.
Bro.
Go.
Vote for
Abraham.
Abraham. I'm voting for Abraham.
Nah, what if it's not though?
Bro,
Nah, we're
Diego, bro.
you guys are over it.
If it's one of you,
You're-
bro, I'm be so mad. Jacob, why are you smiling?
It's actually.
You're tripping out for no reason.
It's
It's because he's never this defensive.
Yeah, we have to go back.
You're gonna get
Oh my God,
canceled.
you guys are pushing
After
this
this
Alright, we're gonna
podcast,
hurry
you're
up and
canceled.
roll, bro.
I'm voting actually.
Bro.
Bro, Cho.
Alright, go on voting.
Yo, I want to be different so bad.
Don't look at it. Who you voting for?
Nah, voting low-key, I'm not gonna vote Abraham.
I'm on
Who you voting
Abraham.
for?
Bro, it's not me, bro. How is it me?
He's never this
I'm voting
defensive.
Abraham.
It's not me.
You vote for me.
Bro, Celine tells me this is with Diego.
Yes, I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling
Alright, let's go, Diego.
Let's vote Diego, bro. Let's vote
Bro.
Diego.
Alright. Point, you're gonna vote in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, there's
Why
no
you guys
on
just pushing
Diego.
on me, bro?
Alright.
Why you guys just pushing on me?
This is one.
Why you guys just pushing on me, bro?
Promise,
Listen,
bro.
hey, listen.
You're getting canceled, bro.
Yeah.
We're all voting Diego, right?
Yeah.
Why you guys pushing on me, though?
Alright.
What if it's Jacob?
I think it is Jacob.
Bro, give me for a vote, bro.
I looked at one of my asses.
Why me now?
That's
You're overthinking it. No, it's not me.
It's Jacob. It's Jacob. It's Jacob.
Why?
It's Jacob. He was so quick. He was so quick to say, "Oh yeah, I'm good."
Nah, it's actually.
Nah,
It's one of
Go.
you two. It's
Here
one
we
of you
go.
two.
All right, last vote. 5 seconds.
Oh my gosh, I can't.
3, 2, 1.
What?
Okay, 2 on Jacob. Okay, there. Reveal the imposter. Come on, hurry.
3, 2, 1. It was you, huh?
No. Diego.
I literally said it was this one.
Round of applause for me, bro. Round of applause.
I was right. I was really right.
Round of applause. Round of applause for me, bro.
Yeah, wait, ya ganaste, bro. Yeah.
Why you mad?
Why you mad? She just did nothing to do with me.
Bro, I told you guys it was good.
That's why he was
I
so
told you.
mad, though. That's why he was so
And
mad.
that's why I switched it up, though.
He was so mad.
I told you it wasn't me.
See, but I didn't vote for you. Why you voted for me? I'm sorry, Jacob.
But I was right. I told you. Diego. Oh my goodness.
Wait, what?
Yeah, well, I was nervous.
I said, oh my goodness. I know. Done. Abraham, don't worry. At
Sorry,
first, I'm
Abraham.
sorry, but you know what? I know
You're right. No, you got it right.
Okay, we're gonna have Jacob start the round.
Go. I'm gonna go. Let's go. Song. Wait, no. Show.
Nah.
Show.
What?
Show.
Same
Final
thing.
answer. Show.
Alright, I think I know.
Nah. He already knows what it is. That one person is that. Okay, here. Hold on.
He looking at.
He's looking at himself. Come on, bro.
I'm gonna say, I'm gonna say rolling.
Yeah, broke my
Rolling?
jaw.
Hey,
You really have to think about this, like really good. 3.
Bro.
That was good.
You were gonna say that?
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
But what are you gonna say now?
I gotta think now. You took my word.
Alright.
Yeah.
And I'm not lying. You said that last time.
He's still thinking of.
Alright, you have to think about the word. So there's. Alright, there's.
Por favor, just say the word, bro.
There's like around 10 steps.
Okay.
Huh?
Bro.
So
Come
calm.
on.
Alright,
bro.
let's just vote.
One.
Let's just vote.
Come on, bro.
Let's just vote. Let's vote. Just stop, bro.
Come on,
Just
come on,
stop.
come on.
Like 10.
Come on.
Like 10 steps. I didn't want to vote you this round. What was wrong? What happened?
What's her name, bro?
Think about the word. The word did the word say?
Bro.
Olaf.
That was it.
Bro, nah.
I'm gonna say.
I got my word already, bro.
It's Abraham. I feel so bad.
Oh, this might give it away though.
Nah,
I got my
don't.
word.
Don't.
I got my word. Come on,
Wait, say
hurry
it to
up.
me. Say it to me, then you can say it.
Ah!
What you looking at, bro?
Why is he always bad at me, bro?
Looking at.
I'm gonna say it just because I had nothing else
No.
I got my word already. Come on, bro.
to say. Frosty.
Bro. Bro.
Both of you guys get out.
Bro.
Come
I'm
on.
gonna say
Jason.
memories.
You already knew your word?
Yeah.
I never did one of those. I'm not going.
Yeah, for real. Have you done it?
Yeah.
Where? Lucky?
Well, I can't even say.
You saying lucky?
I can't say.
Bro, really, bro?
I'm gonna say memories. You said Olaf?
Nah. I
Nah,
said
nah, she said-
No, I don't
I said
know
olive.
the word. I'm gonna say.
I said
You know
olive,
the
yeah.
word? She doesn't know the word.
Yeah,
I don't know
Dale,
the
dale,
word.
dale.
I'm gonna say. Carrots.
Okay.
Alright, you better go.
Is it
Run
carrot?
over.
Huh?
Run over. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah. 10 steps? Like what? Like what?
I got
There
you.
is. There's like 10.
Alright, that's it.
No,
Nah.
don't look at-
Wait, who went
That's
first?
two.
I went first.
So you gotta say another one.
Oh yeah, he's going first. It's you.
Can I throw them off?
If you want.
Are you gonna throw it off? You're the last
Yeah, my
one.
bad, bro.
The Olaf was so obvious. Well,
Stop saying the word, bro.
sorry.
Spring.
Alright.
That was good. That was good.
That's it?
That was good.
Not good if you know what happened.
Nah,
you know
exactly,
you know.
exactly. What was your
Like,
first
he was
word?
so
What was your
confused.
first word?
3. You really have to think about that.
That's good.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do. 10.
10. Talk
Nine,
about 10.
eight.
Talk
Want
about
me to
10.
name all 10?
I'll let
No,
you
bro,
name all
nobody
10.
wants you to name all 10.
Nah, it's
Nobody
not
wants you to name all
because we don't
10.
have a name. You just do it. There's no name for it.
For real.
Bro,
And
and
that's
that's not
what it
read
is,
the word
look
what
at
it
it.
said.
And
And it really wasn't too.
I'm trying to say
I think they were just because 10 is like
Bro,
so
it's not
But
me,
it's
bro.
10.
It's not me, bro.
Wait, let's think about how many
Yes.
items there is.
Yes,
Chill,
exactly.
bye, chill.
Bro, there's not that many steps, bro.
Who
Like
says
max
10?
4.
No one says-
Nah, wait, hold
No
on,
one
hold
says
on, hold on,
yes.
hold on.
Oh my god, bro.
I didn't say 10, I said around 10.
Nah, you keep changing the
Bro, you were
word.
one off. You were one off. Fine.
Bro,
Sorry,
I said around
sorry,
10.
I'm
No,
voting
you
you,
didn't.
bro.
You said 10.
You said
Yeah.
10.
I said around 10.
Nah.
You were like,
did.
there's 10 steps. There's 10 steps.
Okay, let me think.
I know your word.
Okay,
3.
it's him. He just
That was
said
good.
Oh, that's
She's-
obvious, bro.
She's safe.
3.
She's safe.
There is.
He is, bro. Let's
5.
go. Let's vote him.
Alright.
Are
I always
you
Diego
done?
again, right?
Yeah, very.
I think there is 10. I think, bro. It could be good. I'm sorry.
Okay, say another word.
Think about how many.
Why am I
Yeah,
saying
but
that?
like, who says 10?
So you can clear yourself.
True, I know.
Because
said
I
a
read
different
Wait, what did you
word.
say?
And who
I said
says
rolling.
10 right after I said 3?
Bro, why
Because
is
I was
No,
gonna
no,
say
hey. Rolling the hint word, bro.
What?
What the word is? Rolling?
Here we go again with me.
Is it not?
Here we go
It's not
again,
me,
bro.
It's between
It's
the-
Don
I don't know,
Lucas,
but I
bro.
don't
It's
know.
literally Don Lucas.
What was your first word?
Nah, I'm not gonna repeat it because he's gonna know what it is.
What was your
Nah.
first word?
Doesn't matter,
Nah,
doesn't
bro.
matter.
What was your
Bro, it
first
doesn't matter.
word?
It's him.
You can't say it's me,
Nah,
bro.
Abraham, for
Wait,
real,
the
bro?
category is.
Bro, okay, but think spring. What happens at the end of the thing? What happens? The season changes, and what happens?
Why?
Nah,
So
no,
these two,
no.
Why me?
Why
Why me, bro?
Bro, I'm sorry.
Bro, we're
I,
not
now I
going
don't
through
think
this
it's
again.
Abraham. It's one of
We're not
these
going
two.
through this.
Why
Why,
me,
bro?
bro?
Because if you think about, I know he messed up with 10, but think about how many items.
Yeah, but that's just such a
not
weird
10
thing.
items.
And also he said it right after I said 3. Like, bro,
I literally
Okay,
told you I was gonna say 3.
don't raise your voice at me. How about
I
that?
can't, bro.
Bro, you
Nah,
see what I'm
I told you
saying?
I'm gonna say
I'm not voting for you, Bob.
It's a match made in heaven
Be on
over
my
here.
side, bro. Chill.
I'll tell this episode with you. Go, dale. Vote. He's voting, bro.
Wait, you're voting no?
Yes, I'm voting.
Wait, I don't know who I'm voting. Don't look at bro.
It's your, what's your own.
Nah, bro, you can vote.
Don't ever point at me like that.
Oh!
Or else I'm gonna smack you. Alright.
Nah, go that way, go that way. Go.
No,
Why?
no,
Nah,
no, Let's go down with you. Let's go down with you. Let's go down with you.
Nah, it's not me. It's this fool.
Alright.
I'm voting down.
Nah, bro, you're not, bro.
Vote,
Nah,
vote.
it's him.
It's
Him.
you, vote.
No, it's not.
Vote.
I'm sorry,
I'm
wait.
voting him.
Okay,
Calmado, know your voice.
Voting on.
He caught on, bro, because it started with you, so he went
Exactly,
a whole round
exactly,
and then.
exactly.
He went a whole round and then.
You're right. You're so right.
I'm always right, bro. I'm always right.
Alright, we're gonna reveal imposter. 3,
We all vote down.
2, 1. Not see Diego.
Oh, you're so weird. Is that what you meant?
I knew it, bro. I
Ten,
didn't know
ten
it.
in the hat? Alright.
It literally said steps to voting.
Bro, get the, bro. Lock him up.
Watch out, Pa. Watch out, Pa.
I'm
Watch
so
out.
mad. I'm so mad.
Alright. Well, that's gonna conclude our
Why do you guys
podcast
keep
of
turning it
today.
on me?
That was very chaotic. It was crazy to be honest. But thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. I don't know.